now for the mixing paint part. I run the code in my phone. I already pulled the paint code. Here's something that people don't really know about when it comes to paint. As far as I know, as far as I've seen, you can't get factory paint. If she takes this to the Porsche dealership to get repaired, they're not using Porsche paint. They're using PPG, Sherwin-Williams, Spies Hecker, or DuPont. Well, DuPont sold to Alexa now. I believe that's what it's called. But so all paints are pretty much third party. So the paint companies go to the manufacturer's color, they mix their own colors, and then they sell the recipe that we can mix on site. So my system here with all the colors, I can pretty much mix any color in the world as long as I have a paint code. So you go to drop this off at a dealership, a mom and pop body shop, or me, you're getting a third-party paint company and a guy like me that's doing the paint repair. So just a little bit of background on how paint works. So what I did was, basically what I did was I cut out the middleman, the body shop owner, and I just go to directly to people's homes and do the repair on site, which I used to do. I did show cars in a garage back east with no heat when it was freezing, and almost everyone that I did won trophies. First place. It was never second place. It was first place, either best of show or best of paint. So I'm not saying that to brag. I'm just saying I'm not really a bumper guy that can't get a job as a painter. It's kind of reversed. I do this because it's funner and I'm helping people in a better way. They're saving a ton of money and they don't have to drop the car off anywhere. So I wish there was more guys like me where people can save a lot of time and money. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on mixing the color, and I'll just fast forward through it. And yes, I know the trailer is small, but I do that on purpose so it'll fit in the garage easy. I only climb in here to mix the paint. Everything else is within arm's reach, so it makes my life a lot easier. And it's a smaller unit to drive around and back up and all that good stuff. So here's my scale, and I'll zero it out, and you'll see that it's about 4 or 5 different colors. Let me look here. Yeah, so we've got for Miami blue, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about 5 different colors that make up that one color. Some colors can have like up to 15 different colors, pearls and tints and toners. So I'll get started on mixing the color up. So if you can see here, 4.26 grams and then 0.55 grams. So that's what I'm doing. I zero out the scale every time that I do it. So the next number is 7036.